Imagine your home's AI suddenly obeying commands you never gave, opening doors, sharing private data, or even adjusting your thermostat to freezing temperatures. Sounds like a sci-fi nightmare, right? But here's the twist. This isn't fiction. It's a real threat called Promptware, and it's already infiltrating smart devices and AI systems. Let's break down what it is, how it works, and most importantly, how to stop it before it takes control of your digital life. And this is the part most people miss. Promptware isn't just a technical glitch. It's a psychological game of deception, and the stakes are rising fast. What is promptware, and why should you care? Promptware, also known as prompt injection, is a malicious tactic that tricks AI systems into following harmful instructions. Think of it as a hacker whispering orders to your AI assistant through cleverly disguised messages. For example, an attacker could hide a command in an email subject line or calendar event to make your AI open smart locks, send your location, or even activate a boiler remotely. The worst part? Many of these attacks don't require you to click a link or open an attachment. Just reading a message could trigger the attack. This isn't hypothetical. In 2025, researchers demonstrated how Promptware could exploit Google's Gemini AI to control smart home devices by embedding hidden commands in everyday messages. The good news? Google patched the vulnerability quickly. The bad news? Cybercriminals are already hunting for similar flaws in other AI systems, like Amazon's Alexa Plus and Apple's upcoming Siri upgrades. And unlike traditional malware, Promptware can slip past antivirus software because it doesn't rely on code. It manipulates the AI's understanding of language itself. 5 steps to protect your home and devices. Here's how to defend yourself without sacrificing the convenience of smart tech. 1. Update everything, no exceptions. Software updates aren't just for fixing bugs, they're critical for AI security. When companies release updates, they often include patches for Promptware-like vulnerabilities. Make sure your phone, smart home devices, and apps are always on the latest versions. Enable automatic updates if possible. For instance, iOS 18.6.2 included a security fix specifically targeting AI-related threats. Ignoring updates is like leaving a front door unlocked for hackers. 2. Treat unknown messages like landmines. Promptware often hides in phishing emails, suspicious links, or fake documents. The rule of thumb? If you didn't expect it, delete it. Even opening an email from an unknown sender could expose your AI to hidden commands. Remember, attackers don't need you to click a link. Just viewing a malicious subject line might be enough. If you're unsure, report the message as spam instead of interacting with it. 3. Don't let AI summarize what you can't trust. AI tools like Gemini or Alexa can summarize emails, calendar events, or documents, but if the source material is compromised, the summary could include hidden prompts. For example, a malicious email might trick your AI into sending a reply with sensitive data. To stay safe, avoid asking AI to process content from untrusted sources. Manually review important messages before delegating tasks to your AI assistant. 4. Disable AI features you don't need. Many smart devices and apps use AI to automate tasks like scheduling or message summarization. While convenient, these features increase your attack surface. Go into your settings and disable AI-powered features in email clients, calendars, and chat apps unless absolutely necessary. For advanced users, look for human-in-the-loop hidden options that require manual approval before an AI takes action. This adds a critical layer of control. 5. Inspect text before copy-pasting. Promptware often hides in the smallest details. Email subject lines, file names, or code snippets. When organizing files or transferring data, take a moment to scan copied text for unusual characters or phrases. A malicious command could be embedded at the end of a file name or hidden in a calendar reminder. It's tedious, but it's the difference between a secure system and a hacked one. The bigger debate: can AI security keep up with innovation? Here's a provocative question. Are we prioritizing convenience over safety in the rush to adopt AI? While promptware is a pressing issue, It's just one example of how AI's rapid growth outpaces our ability to secure it. Some argue that companies like Google and Amazon are doing enough by collaborating with researchers. Others believe stricter regulations are needed to hold AI developers accountable. Where do you stand? Share your thoughts in the comments below, because the future of smart tech depends on balancing innovation with caution.